How to add a device to your Google Home. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a device to your Google Home. The very first step is to go on your Google Home. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Google Home from the Google Play Store or App Store. After installing it, make sure you have now also signed in with the Google account that you already have. Sign in with the Google account that you use more. After that, when you tap on this devices option, you will see the option of add device right here. So it says Matter enabled device, Google native partner device, works with Google Home. So you can choose any of the option right here. I will tap on Matter enabled device. After that, you can just open the Google camera here and then set up without QR code, or you can set with QR code as well. Let's set up with without QR code. Now it says the 11 or 21 digits pairing code may be the device. If not, you can set up with the manufacturer. It will send you a pairing code, and when you tap on this, your Google device will be paired in Google Home. And just like that, your problem is solved. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching our video.